Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. So in today's video we're gonna learn how to make a landing page. So for that, go to your browser and search for canva.com. When it's opened, just click on login. If you have already signed up with the email, just click on login and it's done. And if you haven't, then just click on sign up and make a new account. It will take a few seconds to load. So it will be introducing you to Canva stock. So yeah, that's it. Actually, it's a paid software, but most of the users are like in free only. Let me walk you through this Canva. So in the left menu, you will be seeing brand, content planner, discover apps, and many more things. Smart mockups, and on the top, you'll be seeing design spotlight like logo maker, flyer, banner, poster. Like let us see the logo maker. See how wonderful it is. Right. It will be giving you instruction also how to make it. Poster maker, resume maker. Let's click it on resume maker. See, free online resume builder. There is many more. You can do anything with it. It basically has been used by graphic designer because many of their templates have been pre-built. Like us, we want to make landing page, right? So I will be clicking on the search button and search for landing page. So much of result, and that too, everything look very nice. You will be very confused when you come here. When you see the templates, most of them are so eye attractive that you will forget which one you want to choose. So for me, I'll be making a landing page, right? So most of them are paid. You see here, paid, pro, which also come under paid. This is free. This is also free. This is paid because it's pro, right? So let's say which fits the best to our need. I think this will work. Let's click this. See, style. If you have a clothing brand and you want to make a landing page of it, just very easy steps to make landing page. I'm telling you, when you find out the power of this Canva, you will be amazed by it. You don't need to learn how to use Photoshop. You will just come to Canva and do everything. You will come for banner, you will come for poster, you will come for like making real short contents, making templates for landing pages and many more. I can like I will be like short of words if I go on telling you the benefits of Canva. So let's click on this customize this template. It will be opening on the new page, and here it is. So this is the landing page. So instead of joining now, I will click and type shop now. And I'll change the name of this company to mine, branded. Vivek branded. And let's see what more we can change. Location, you can also see, it's about us, product page, contact, location. see more. You can change the, like, you, if you want you can just change the picture from here also, or you can move it if you don't like this. You want to adjust the picture, you can do like this also. Got it? You can adjust this height and width. You can change color too. Click on this branded and like go to the here and click on your favorite color, and click on the favorite color like me for yellow. See, it look dope, right? I know. So let's change this white into yellow also. So that I will be clicking on this white sheet and go to text color and then again yellow. It looked super cool. This is enough for me. So now I want to like export it. So click on share, and if you want you can just copy the link and share to anyone if you want. I will just download it. So I will click on download, and if you want to compress the file transparent with transparent background, you have to get the pro version which is paid. And according to your website, if you want to put it in website, right, obviously you have to put it in website because it's a landing page. You can export in png, jpeg, pdf, or pdf print, svj. Like svj is for putting on the website, right? But it is for pro. If you want, you can purchase the pro version and click on svj, and see, you have to upgrade it and then click on download. For me right now I will be exporting in jpeg. So I will be just click on the download, and see, I got the link here. You can copy and you can share also. And yeah, see, the landing page which we have made on Canva is now officially been downloaded. So cool, yeah. Just convert it into svj file and upload it in your WordPress or Wix, whatever you use. And that's it, folks. That's how you can simply, by coming on Canva, by drag and drop, you can make your landing page for free and without the knowledge of coding. That's it, folks. If you like this video, leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe for more.